All right, so hopefully you already watched the video about the Think, Notice, Wonder homework. Right now, I wanted to just prepare you for what we're going to be doing in class either on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on your class period, okay? So working together, remember that you are smarter together because you have different ways of seeing, representing, connecting, and figuring it out. When you talk through your thinking with other people, your thinking gets better and clearer, okay? Other people ask questions that you may not have considered or that first force you to think about or explain something in a different way. You may know something that helps your group, and someone else may know something that helps you, okay? So that's why it's going to be really important for you to look at this and think about it so that you're ready to solve some problems together in your groups. So your task, this is what you're all going to be working on. So together, you're going to talk through, draw, write, all the ways you can think about each problem and represent your thinking. So again, when you're working in your groups, the most important thing is that you're sharing your thinking about the problem. The most important thing is not coming up with the exact right answer or the right way to solve it. The most important thing to do is to think together and to share your ideas because that's something that you can't do by yourself. You're going to have your own time to work on this, but while you're in your groups, take advantage of the time you have together. Later, you will be turning in your own work to show your current understanding after you work in your groups. So there'll be 4 roles. The facilitator, please keep the team focused on one problem together. Read everything aloud. So make sure you're looking at the problems, reading them aloud, and making sure that everyone is on the same problem at the same time. Okay? The resource manager, you're going to give everyone time and space to think first. So make sure that even after you read the problem aloud, maybe give people 1 or 2 minutes just to think for themselves and don't let people rush each other. Okay, so there shouldn't be any hurry ups or, come on, let's keep it moving. Making sure that everyone is giving each other time. So you might be saying things like, okay, you know what? I think it's time for us to slow down and just make sure that we're all good with number 1 before we go to number 2. Team captain, you're going to be inviting everyone to share an idea or question. So give different people a chance to talk first. So if you're the team captain, you should definitely be saying things like, wait, we can't go to number 2 because we haven't figured out how so-and-so feels about number 1 yet. Okay, so give everyone a chance to talk first, okay? Before somebody maybe wants to share 2 or 3 ideas, make sure everybody shared 1. The recorder reporter, you're going to remind everyone to show what they are drawing and writing. So you can use, for this we're going to be using a Jamboard. So just make sure that everyone is having the opportunity to draw and write on the Jamboard. Okay? And the cooking with curry task, that's what we're going to be working on this week. So Monday, you're going to do your think, notice, wonder so that you have an opportunity to warm up and think about the task. Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to be working in your groups on the task. Thursday and Friday, you're going to be independently, that means on your own, completing the task for yourself. Okay, so we're going to be spending pretty much the whole week on this, but we're breaking it down into 3 parts so that we can really think about it. And just as a reminder, here is our spring SLC schedule for the week. So if you'll notice, Tuesday and Wednesday, you go to your classes, but Monday, Thursday, and Friday, you only go to your advisory, okay? Just so that's clear. So go ahead and pause it if you need to. But I just wanted to go over what to expect for the rest of the week and for the next class. All right, take care.